Yes.
Have you been with us before?
We have not.
Okay, so real quick, I see everybody's got their bracelet on. The way this works is you'll enter the river here. The float's about 2.5 hours today. Water level's low, so expect to do a decent amount of walking. I see you all have shoes on, so
Yes.
that's good. Alrighty, let's see. Everybody's got shoes on. Life jackets have to go around you and be buckled.
Okay.
And then, did you have any questions other than that?
I don't think so.
Okay, good. Put your life jacket on.
Hi. Zoe.
Hi. I don't know how I'm getting out of this.
Me neither.
Have to for 2.5 hours. Here's let me see that.
I'm trying to get away from the body.
There, Zoe, look this way. I'll get everybody. Hurry, look this way, Zoe. Lena and Zoe towards me.
I can't. Hi, geesey, 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 geesey. Hi, geesey, 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 geesey. Hi, geesey, geesey, geesey. Look, just off there.
I see him. You having fun?
Yeah.
So much fun. She got her stick to paddle with.
You take it.
Oh, now I have a stick to paddle with. Comfy? Brad and Jordan are way ahead of us.
I'm coming.
Come on, doggy paddle.
It's so cold.
How are we getting her back in here? How are we getting her back in here?
Me too.
Come on, doggy paddle.
Give me my tube.
No, we can't. Those people just kicked a whole bunch of other people off. Yeah, off their property. That's their property.
Hey, can we get over there?
Nope.
But I can't get in.
Yeah.
We can go over there. Wait, you can't leave. Stay with us. There's someone. Joe, we have been trying to avoid rocks this whole time.
According to my calculations, you guys have hit every rock.
I'm pretty sure every rock.
So I don't know how you're waiting to hit a rock.
Not like a rock in the middle, like a bank. A bank on a bank.
Like Bank of America or...
A river bank.
Oh.
Just around the river bend.
Oh, there's no river bank.
The stick is about to go bonk.
Can I hold the stick? I haven't gotten it.
Neither have I, Jordan. Neither have I. And here's the thing. We seem to be fairly competent, so they're not going to let us have it. What's up, everyone? All right, so we got done with our float. We're all real hungry, getting real cranky. Hurried up and ate breakfast in order to get out of there, so we didn't have a big breakfast, and now it's like 2 o'clock. We're real hungry, 2:30. So here at River Rat, they have a shaved ice and a Mexican food truck. They make quesadillas and various other things. You can pay $1 extra to have them make it into a wrap. We did not do that. I wish I would have. I didn't see it until too late. But anyway, we got the big cheese quesadilla, which is this one. And I don't know what's in it other than a lot of cheese, and that's all that matters, right? It's what it is. It comes with some pico, some sour cream, and some lettuce, and you got that. But what I'm excited about is this one. It's called the black and blue, which naturally means it's got blue cheese in it. And so it is beef, onions, black and blue, you know, blue cheese, all this stuff, and it's got a seasoning on it that I'm super excited to try.
We have nachos. We haven't tried them yet.
So this is the queso.
These are the chips. This one's just,
Queso looks delicious.
this one's just extra seasoned, but it's still chips. So,
And we also have shaved ice.
So good. You can taste the blue cheese. It's got flank steak instead of just normal beef. The white queso cheese is melted into it. It's got just baked with love, I think, is what they did. It is really good.